This is a very special carrot. I know it looks like a carrot you buy at a grocery store, but what makes this carrot so special is that I grew it. I belong to a community garden where everyone gets a plot of land to grow whatever they want. I was there yesterday with my cousin Kimmy. This is all my land!
Gee, it's almost as big as my bed.
My tomatoes are here, my basil will go there, rosemary and chives. Are you ready to get soily?
You mean dirty?
No, dirt is what gets underneath our fingernails, but soil is a mix of minerals, air, water, animals. Soil is like the skin on the earth. It's alive. Come on, you'll love it.
I've never had much luck growing things. Everything I plant dies, even fake flowers. I guess I have a brown thumb.
Don't be silly. Everyone can grow things. What do you think are the main things that a plant needs to grow?
Air, water, light, soil.
That's right. Understanding what a plant needs is the first step to keeping it healthy. It's all written on the seed packet like this, or on these little sticks that come with the baby plant. Isn't that right, my sweet little peppers?
Baby plants?
This started as a seed, but is now a few months old, so it has a head start to being a grown-up plant.
Okay, where do I dig?
Let's dig right here for Tommy.
Who's Tommy?
Oh. Tommy Tomato. I name all of my plants.
You do?
Here's a picture of my very first plant, Armando Avocado.
How long will it take Tommy to grow?
About 65 days before he grows fruit.
I thought tomatoes are vegetables, not fruits.
They're really both. Cooks call them vegetables, but scientists call anything with seeds inside fruit.
Okay, what should I do?
Measure the pot, and then make a hole that's a little bit deeper.
5 inches. So I'll make a hole that is 6 inches deep.
Now put it upside down, pat the bottom, and then pull it out and put it in the ground. Now push the soil around the plant and put some water. Ooh, Kimmy, your thumb is turning green.
Tommy, you and I are going to be good friends.
I love to garden and watch my plants grow. In the winter, when it's cold, I put my plants in these little pots that I can put on my windowsill. Remember, lots of plants can grow on your windowsill all year long. Oh, happy Valentine's Day, Kimmy.
Thanks, Jaden. What is it?
Oh, it's a bouquet of flowers. You have to plant them first.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.